Hi, Don Brown with Multi-Touch Leadership. Today's release is In Search of Motivation, Part 2. In this second look at motivation, I'd like to focus on the idea of consequences, the pleasure and pain that you put in place as the leader to move another toward what you want. And understand, external consequences create movement, not motivation. Let's face it, who is the one that's motivated in the equation? You are. You want the outcome. But through consequences, you can create significant movement in other people. Positive and negative consequences can be very effective if you craft them to be first personal. Don't emphasize the impact on someone's behavior other than them. Concentrate on the direct connection to them. What will be different in their life? Second, consequences that are immediate. Say what will happen as a result now, not later. Articulating the long term may excite you, but others will gravitate toward what they believe will happen in the short term. And finally, consequences that are certain. If they don't really believe you, it won't move them. Be prepared with the reward as promised or the sanction as threatened. In our last release on motivation, we will finish with how to move others from within.